Hi friends, I am Balakrishnan, Guru Tuition Center. All are welcome to Guru Tuition Center. Today, the video is for Standard 10 Kerala Syllabus English Medium. The chapter opens for arithmetic progressions. What is an arithmetic progression? We shall examine. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is the set of natural numbers. You have seen this sequence several times. Then 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. This is the set of positive odd integers. This sequence also you are familiar with. 3, 2 or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. This is the sequence of even integers, positive even integers. 4, 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, etc. The first three sequences are you are familiar with, but this is a sequence you are not familiar with. See, in the first sequence, the difference between the consecutive terms is 1. Here the difference between the consecutive terms is 2. Here the difference between the consecutive terms is 2. What about this one? 6 minus 1 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. 16 minus 11 is 5. 21 minus 16 is 5. Or if you add 5 to the first term, you get the second term. Again adding 5, you will get the third term. Again adding 5, you will get the fourth term. Adding 5 to the fourth term, you will get the fifth term, etc. These sequences are arithmetic progressions. How? If the consecutive terms in a progression differ by a particular number throughout, I repeat, if the consecutive terms in a progression differ by a particular number throughout the series, then it is called an arithmetic progression. So, all the first three which were familiar to you and the fourth one also are arithmetic progressions. Generally we can write A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, etc. are terms of an AP, which begins with the first term A and a common difference in that sequence D. In this case, the first term is 1 and the common difference is 5. In this case, the first term is A and the common difference is D. Why do we say common difference? The difference between the consecutive terms throughout the sequence is D itself. So we call it common difference. Now it is clear what an arithmetic progression is. And in an arithmetic progression, A, B, C, let A, B, C form an arithmetic progression. Then the middle term will be the arithmetic mean of the other two. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean of two numbers is half the sum of those numbers. See, if you are given 6 and 8, the arithmetic mean is 6 plus 8 by 2, that is 14 by 2, that is 7. Here, if A, B, C form an AP, then the midterm will be the arithmetic mean of the other two. We shall examine whether it is true in this case. Consider the first three terms. Consider the first three terms. See, according to this rule, this 6 must be the arithmetic mean of 1 and 11. What is the arithmetic mean of 1 and 11? 1 plus 11 by 2. That is equal to 12 by 2. That is equal to 6. 6 equals 6. True. Then consider these three. Then 11 must be 6 plus 16 by 2. 6 plus 16 by 2. That is equal to 22 by 2. Again it is 11. True. Consider these three, last three terms. Then 16 must be 11 plus 21 by 2. That is 32 by 2. It is 16. So it's true that in every arithmetic progression, if you take three consecutive terms, then the middle term will be the arithmetic mean of the other two terms. Then we shall examine some geometric illustrations. We shall consider 4 squares of side length 1 unit here it is 1.5 unit, then a square of side length 2 units, and another one with the side length 2.5 unit. Side length 2.5 unit. 2.5 means 5 by 2. And 1.5 means 3 by 2. We are going to examine whether any other measurements will be in arithmetic progression. See, sides 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. The side lengths are noted 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. This is in AP. How? 1 plus half 1 and a half, 1 and a half plus half, 2, 2 plus half, that is 2 and a half. Now the consecutive terms differ by half unit. So this is an AP. Then perimeters. What is the perimeter of the first one? Perimeter of a square is found by multiplying the side by 4. If the side length is multiplied by 4, you will get the perimeter. So here it is 4. Here it is 6. 4 into 1 and a half. That is 6. Then here it is 8. 4 into 2, 8. Here it is 4 into 2.5 or 2 and a half, that is 10. These terms 4, 6, 8, 10, they form an AP with the starting term 4 and a common difference is found in the progression. The common difference is 2. So this is an AP. Then diagonals. We shall draw the diagonals. D1, D2, D3 and D4. What is the length of the first diagonal? How do you find the diagonal of a square? In the 9th standard you have studied it. It is side length into root 2. So D1 is equal to root 2. How much is D2? 3 by 2 into root 2. Here it is 2 root 2. How much is here? 5 by 2 into root 2. Now root 2, 3 by 2 root 2, 2 root 2 and 5 by 2 root 2 are the length of the diagonals. Do these terms form an AP? Here it is 1 root 2. Here it is 1 and a half root 2. That means half root 2 is added. This is 2 root 2. 1 and a half root 2 plus half root 2. That is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 plus half root 2. 2 and a half root 2. That means these terms differ by half root 2. So this is also an AP. For a square, the diagonal is found by multiplying the side length by root 2. I simply wrote the side length into root 2. If you don't know how it is obtained, then you may please attend here. This is, let this be a square. This side is A, this side is A. This is the diagonal, and this angle is 90 degree. You consider this dotted triangle. It is a right triangle. This angle is 90 degree. For a right triangle, the hypotenuse will be square root of the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Square root of the sum of the squares of the other two sides. that is d is equal to square root of sum of the squares of the square root of the sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is root of 2a square, that is square root of 2 is root 2, square root of a square is a. That is how we got the diagonal to be side length into root. Now I have explained what an arithmetic progression is and a special property of 3 consecutive times. It's not a special property, it is a property of arithmetic progression. If you take the 3 consecutive terms, then the midterm will be the arithmetic mean of the other 2 terms. So for today's video, this is enough. I will be sending remaining videos shortly, and of course if you like my videos, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe it, then if you are subscribing it, I will be benefited. Okay, thank you.